Did you know that the National Osteoporosis Foundation reports that 54 million Americans, nearly half adults aged 50 and over, are at risk of breaking a bone and should be concerned about bone health? 1 in 2 women and 1 in 4 men will break a bone in their lifetime due to osteoporosis. For women, the incidence is greater than that of heart attack, stroke, and breast cancer combined. Diet, exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are keys to preventing and managing the disease, and it can be managed. Research shows that weight-bearing exercise like yoga can improve bone health and even reverse the effects of osteoporosis without medication. Yoga therapy for osteoporosis can improve your balance, strength, your posture, and reduce your risk of falls and fractures. It can also relieve the stress and anxiety that often accompanies the disease. Don't let fear keep you from living a happier, more mobile life. Join me for yoga therapy for osteoporosis and learn techniques of dynamic tensioning and mechanical leveraging, along with restorative breath and meditation practices to enhance your quality of life. It's never too late to feel stronger, healthier, and in control of your own well-being. Click on the link below and join me. I hope to see you there.